Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's Karen here with another video and I am on my way to the dollar store. Yes, I'm looking a little crusty because I just washed my face, did my little morning routine, and I'm going to the dollar store to see if I can find some makeup. And I want to do a full dollar store makeup a tutorial and see if I can find, first of all, my shade, because I know I probably won't be able to find my shade. And then secondly, like, what are the brands like? What do they have? Wet n Wild? Like, I don't know what's the brand in there, but we're gonna find out because I'm gonna film in there as well, and I'm driving there right now, so stay tuned. I'm here at the dollar store and I've never went down this aisle to get makeup, but I'm doing it today. So let me show you guys the selection of makeup and then we're going to film. So here they have LA Colors. They have a lot of different palettes. Then they have eyeshadow, loose eyeshadow. I mean, I never even knew that this aisle existed. They have concealer, definitely not my shade, but it's all right. I'll still figure out something and find something. They have liquid liners, eyelashes. They even have eyelashes. They even have brushes, y'all. So you can definitely find something for cheap. Here at the dollar store, they have sponges, curlers, BB creams, mask. I might have to pick some of these masks up. So I'll show you guys what I get when I get back home, and then we'll do a quick tutorial, and then we're also gonna do a wear test. All right, I am back from the dollar store and I bought some items that I think are interesting. Yes, they may work out, so you never know. So I wasn't able to find my foundation like I predicted, so I am swapping out a dollar store item for a drugstore item, and this is the CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made, and I am in the color D80 or Soft Sable. Alright, so here's my little receipt from the Dollar Tree, and I spent approximately, I bought some deodorant and batteries, so $10 to $10. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to start with, and there were no primers either, so I just prime my skin regularly with what I use all the time. So the first thing I'm going to start with is this brow and eyeliner pencil, and this is by ColorMates, and this is in the color Black Brown. There's one eyebrow, so I like it. I mean, it's nice and soft when you put it on your skin, and I just finished paying $26 for a Benefit brow pencil, and this was $1 for two, and look how long the stick is. So I would definitely in the future buy this again if I'm just doing like I'm using it every day, and then maybe use the Benefit eyebrow pencil for something that, like going out or something special, because this does the exact same job. Definitely comment below if you would like me to do a dollar store on one side, high-end on the other. That way you can see just how clearly similar they really are, and it's not much of a difference. But hopefully we'll get into like eyeshadows and stuff like that. Maybe the quality brand does look a little different, hopefully, because if it doesn't, it's like, well, what's the point of purchasing it? So we'll see. Okay, I wasn't able to find concealer as well, so instead I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild concealer, if I can find it. Here it is. It is Wet n Wild concealer, and I think I paid like $2 or $3 for this, and it's in this color Dark Cocoa, so that's what I'll be using today. So there you go. And now let's get into the foundation. So I bought a beauty sponge. Where is the, this is the, what is this? So, I don't know the name brand. It just said, oh, Sassy and Chic blender sponge. So, this is definitely a difference to this sponge as opposed to the beauty sponge, the beauty blender, because first of all, it's very firm, very firm. It's not hard it's not soft at all. It's really super, super, super hard. Definitely nothing like the Beauty Blender, Real Techniques, any of that. This is super hard and super tough to like press down, or we'll see. It smells a little weird too, so not sure. But here goes nothing. The smell, it smells like rubber, and it's really hard, really, really hard. I can't with this. It's like, I feel like I'm like trying to press it into my skin. So this is no, because I felt like it ate up all the product and didn't put any on my face. So I'm just gonna go in with a brush. So I got this LA Colors powder, and it looks like that. This is the only color they had, and it is called Tan. It's in the shade Tan. So, and it is a pressed powder. It has a puff applicator included. So this is the puff applicator. So we're not gonna use that. I like to use a more darker tan under my eye because I don't want such a highlight like that. So we'll see how this works out. And I don't have anything to set the rest of my face because they only had this one pressed powder. So I'm going to use this very sparingly. So should have tapped it very light on my chin. See, I tapped it for my cheek, my under eye, but then for my chin I didn't, and there you see like that ashy. The other thing they didn't have was any setting spray. So the one that they had a lot of options, but the one thing that they were missing was primer, setting spray, and like different color foundations. They had one kind of foundation, one kind of BB cream, and one kind of powder. So that was all that was there. Okay. Moving on to eyes. This is the LA Girls 12 color eyeshadow, and there's no shimmers, just all neutrals, so I thought that would work well for this video. So yeah, and it comes with a little applicator as well. I'm not mad at this powder, actually. Just looking in the camera and in the mirror, it was not bad. Like, I can definitely use it. I mean, let's see what happens. I'm definitely gonna wear this look all day. I have to go out late tonight to take my son to basketball practice or tryouts, so I'm definitely gonna come back like around 10-11 o'clock at night. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon now, so we'll see how this whole look lasted. So I'm a little nervous, but hey, we have to do what we gotta do. So let's open up the powder at the bottom as our transition color. Ooh, that's not what I expected to come out on the brush. So this is the color I used right here. I was not expecting it to look like that, but okay. let's try this color right here at the top here, right above the one I was using. Let me clean off my brush. Actually, let me just use another brush. I'll use this one. Okay, yeah, this looks like a lot of... So I'm gonna go in with this color here, which is like a mauve color, and put that on my lid. And again, you really can't see anything, so you have to kind of like dig your brush into it hard. All look the same. When you put them on, they definitely all look the same. I don't know what the camera's picking up, but it just looks like one color to me. It's hysterical. Right, moving right along. What else do I have? I have a Aziza liquid eyeliner, Aziza Studio. This was $1 and it's a liquid eyeliner. You never know, you can find a gem in the dollar store. Has a little felt tip here. I also purchased, this is very odd to me because it looks like a bronzer slash highlighter, but they're saying it's a powdered blush, and it's LA Colors powdered blush, and it is Baked is the name. So it says highlight cheeks, but then it says powdered blush. So let's see. I'm gonna open it. And then it comes like this, and it has a little applicator. All right. Well, that's highlight, right? That looks like highlight. It said blush. So we're gonna work this out. Tap the hell off my brush and just try to make the best of this. I'm not mad at it though. I think it's pretty. It looks pretty. Just not blush. I don't have a contour, but I do have, I was not getting lashes from the dollar store because I hate putting on lashes anyway, so I'm like, bump that. So I do have some Wet n Wild mascara, and I love Wet n Wild as a brand. So it's definitely possible that this mascara can go into my everyday rotation. Okay, Mega Wear mascara. Let's see. Finally, I was searching, this is what took me the longest in the dollar store to try to find, was a lipstick, a lip gloss, something that I could just use, but I couldn't find anything except for this color, and I hate this color. I couldn't find anything else. They had like the old lady brown and like the old lady red, and nothing wrong against that, but I just didn't want to have that. Just didn't want to get that, so I'm going to see how this looks. I'm going to use it sparingly. And I guess you can twist this off like that. Oh my god. That's really bright. And you can pull this off. Okay. Feeling a lot dry on my face. I don't know if you could tell, but I definitely need some. Looks really, really ashy. Looking real casket ready, might I add. Oh, here goes nothing. This is the dollar store look, people. I hope you found this video enlightening, and I'm gonna go wear this out, get some looks. People will be looking at me like, wow, she's actually insane. And then I'm going to come back and show you my look after a couple of hours. Okay, people? Stay tuned. So yeah, this is how I look. I think the powder is very ashy, made my skin look very ashy, and I definitely wouldn't use that again. So I definitely think the dollar store is good for some things. I had a fun experience at the dollar store today. Comment down below, let me know if you guys have ever used any drugstore product, any dollar store products, and also if you'd like me to do this with another store or something else. Please comment down below, like, subscribe. I'm pumping videos out for you guys, so please support the channel. I would greatly appreciate it. Until I see you guys next time, have a great day.